Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to turn off your active status on LinkedIn. If you'd rather keep your online activity private or just don't want others knowing when you're online, this quick guide will help you get it done in just a few taps. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Tap on that to open up your profile menu. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. Inside Settings, you'll want to look for the section labeled Visibility. This is where you'll find all of the controls on how other people see your activity and information on LinkedIn. Inside Visibility, you'll see an option that says Manage Active Status. Tap on that, and LinkedIn will bring up 3 different settings for you to choose from. First, there's an option that shows your active status to your entire network. Second, there's an option to only show it to your connections. And finally, there's an option that lets you hide your activity completely. To fully turn off active status, select the option that says No One. By choosing this, your connections and network won't be able to see when you're online or recently active. This means you can scroll, explore, and use LinkedIn without broadcasting your availability. Once you make the selection, your settings will update automatically. From that moment on, you'll no longer appear active to others on the platform. Keep in mind that you also won't be able to see the active status of other users, since LinkedIn keeps this setting mutual. And that's it. In just a few moments, you've completely turned off your active status. This small adjustment can give you a little more privacy and help you focus on your professional browsing without distractions. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to dive into the other visibility settings too, since LinkedIn gives you quite a bit of control over who can see your profile details, activity, and more. With active status turned off, you'll now be able to use LinkedIn on your own terms, at your own pace.